Urine testing is the most easiest to use, and parents come in and typically request that because that's the one that they've seen most either on the shelf or they've heard about it from other friends or family members. The way that urine testing works is it can be done in home, which is the convenience factor that you don't have to go to a specific place, but more so, it provides a positive or negative answer. The way it works is it's an ounce and a half of liquid, so urine, about 45 mLs, and there's a line that's right on the cup that actually says to fill to this line. So you don't have to provide quite a bit of sample, which is really good. The other thing is you either twist the lid on or you pour the urine onto the stick, and that then after 5 minutes reads the result and you get a definitive either yes or no. The results, depending on the type of kit, will either tell you if you have certain things in your system or you don't have certain things in your system. There's a control line that's going to be common in all test kits, and then if there's a second line that's present, it's one that detects that there is nothing in your urine, which is a good thing. On most kits, that's how the results are read. So you'd want to check with the kit exactly to know what is the pros and cons of each one and which one is best for you. My personal experience with urine testing is that not only do I've used it myself just to get familiar with the product, but we also ask our students to do that as well. With regards to parents coming in for questions, the biggest question that we get with urine testing is it accurate? And will I find the right results? The answer to that is that there are chances for a urine test to come up with a false positive result based on other products that they could have taken, which are completely legal. They're over-the-counter pain medications as well as other prescription medications that can look or mimic certain drugs or certain compounds, and that can give a false positive reading. So with that in mind, the urine test kit is something that is a good baseline. It's not something that probably should be the end-all be-all kind of thing. If you get a positive result, it's not something to scold your kid about. It's something that will open up the dialogue for further conversation and possibly further professional testing. With urine testing, the typical result will have a result that has a shorter time frame of which it's sampling the sample from, meaning it'll go back maybe a week at most of what was in your system. So it's going to be something that is short-term type of thing. You're going to get it for, if you're a parent who detects that your child was using something when they went to their friend's house a few days ago and you want to just make sure that that wasn't the case, then that would be the best test to use. It's going to be a short-term type of test.